years back, a judge ordered Apple to pay the University of Wisconsin $506 million for infringing one of its tech patents. Few more years back, Carnegie Mellon University won $750 million in a patent infringement lawsuit against Marvell Technology Group. So now, what picture you get in your mind? क्या यूनिवर्सिटी भी अपने पेटेंट से इतना रेवेन्यू जनरेट कर सकती हैं या फिर इतना रेवेन्यू जनरेट कर सकती हैं लिटिगेशन से अपने पेटेंट को लेकर? कैन यूनिवर्सिटी जनरेट this much revenue from their patent through licensing, technology transfer or litigations? Hi everyone, this is Dr. Shweta and I'm back with another video on universities and their patent portfolio. In fact, we will be doing this in series and talking about 7 to 10 good universities in India and outside India with their patent portfolios, because these universities are creating a roadmap for other institutions for their research and development. With such a big money involved in patent cases in the news, you might think that owning a patent can create a major windfall of profit for universities. While this has proven true for a handful of institutions and universities across the world, the truth is that most of the universities actually make little or no money from licensing or technology transfer of the inventions they produce because of lack of strategy, how to go about it and how to go about their inventions. अगर number की बात की जाए, if we talk only about numbers of Indian universities, Patent Office of India comes up with top 10 universities or academic filing maximum number of patent in their annual report. And if you see last year report of 2018 and 2019, we have top 10 academics who are actually proving to create a roadmap for future institutions. The top 10 academics universities are these. If you see on the number 1, we have IITs collectively. On number 2, we have Chandigarh University, Punjab. On number 3, we have Shulini University, Himachal Pradesh. And the list goes on. This list is from Patent Annual Report 2018-2019, which has been produced in 2020. These numbers and facts are not from any private database, but it is from the annual report of Patent Office, Government of India. Academics, that is, university and institutions, are considered to be the most important foundation for growth of any country. ऐसा मानना है कि universities are the place where most of the basic idea lead to futuristic research that we can convert into inventions, or that they can convert into inventions. अब जहाँ invention होगा वहाँ patent ना हो तो it is considered not to be good research, intellectually not sound research, because intellectual property rights act as a shield to protect the invention from being misused from the third party, and it also helps in commercialization of these inventions. It is highly recommended that any invention, if fulfilling the criteria of patent, that is novelty, non-obviousness and industry application, should be protected, and it will not only protect the invention but also will encourage the inventors, and inventor कौन होगा? Either faculties or students. Since students are the one who carry out these research that may lead to the invention, it is important for them to have knowledge about intellectual property rights and get these inventions protected in order to commercialize as well as to protect it from the misuse by the third party. Moreover, there are various reasons why universities or academics should more focus on filing patents, protecting their research. Universities and patent benefit each other. Patent help universities to improve their ranking, establishing an innovation ecosystem, incubation ecosystem, knowledge-based startups coming out from these incubation, and it also increases industry and academics relationship, which can earn additional revenue and measures research activity. In its biggest push to create entrepreneurial universities, UGC University Grant Commission has now asked all the universities in India to set up an intellectual property center or IP division. As universities line up to set up these center, they will have to face strange human resource issues also, because we have less people knowing about intellectual property rights. So now let me tell you about one university which has actually changed the innovation and patent scenario in India. Not just because they are filing huge number of patents, but because the way innovation is being cultured among the universities and students is remarkable. I'm talking about India's youngest university to be NAAC A+ accredited, and it is also in top 100 NIRF ranking. और यही नहीं, this youngest university is on second number in top 10 Indian applicant for filing patents from academic and institutes and universities, and first among the private universities, because बस collectively IITs ही है इसके आगे. और यही नहीं रुकता है इस यूनिवर्सिटी का सफर. इस यूनिवर्सिटी ने टॉप 5 इंडियन एप्लीकेंट फॉर फाइलिंग पेटेंट इन इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी में अपनी जगह बनाई विथ विप्रो एंड टाटा कंसल्टेंसी के साथ. I have seen that many universities claim to be on number 2, number 3, number 4, number 1, or according to the private databases. But whatever we are presenting right now is from Patent Annual Report. I have seen that many of the universities claim to be on top 10, top 5, top 20 positions in the patent filing or the research innovation. But my series, our series, IP Jagruti series of universities and patent will bring you the sources from the very authentic source from government office, and government office means whatever is there in the public domain, and from very authentic databases. So okay, now let me tell you the name of the universities, and I know many of you have already guessed it. One disclaimer: this video is not paid, not sponsored by any universities or any specific person to me to talk about any specific university. In fact, we are bringing this series of videos where we'll be talking about n number of universities and their patent portfolio. I will talk about the universities, and the record can be found on the authentic databases and government portal. And we will be only covering the universities or the research institutes who are seriously working toward innovation. So yes, I am talking about Chandigarh University in this video, who have filed more than 1200 patents in a very short span of time. There are more than 1000 applications published, and they have approx more than, I should say, 100 design filed. Chandigarh University has been focusing on its research and development unit toward building socially inclined projects which do good industry-wise but also have social impact in changing the lives. One thing which I noticed after reading their published patent, that Chandigarh University students are being prepared for futuristic research. CU is not focusing in making students bookworm, और ना ही चंडीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी अपने स्टूडेंट्स को सिर्फ जॉब के लिए रेडी कर रहा है, बट उनके पेटेंट की क्वालिटी देखकर समझ में आता है कि चंडीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी अपने स्टूडेंट्स को रिसर्च एंड इनोवेशन एंटरप्रेन्योरियल इन्वायरमेंट प्रोवाइड कर रहा है और उसके टुवर्ड उनको डेवलप कर रहा है. आई हैव रेड देयर पब्लिश पेटेंट and I was surprised by the quality, because it clearly proved that CU में student में bookish knowledge से ज़्यादा problem solving approach and attitude को develop किया जा रहा है. That means the students are being trained for problem solving, and believe me, if you are a good identifier of a problem and you come up with a technical solution for that problem, you will always have a good research, good invention in your hand. Again, I am saying, believe me, for any university to be different, that university should not just focus upon completing the course, but there should be an inclination toward building skills and innovators. I think academic these days should choose one of the most widely used and effective 5-step formula for project management, which is called IDEAL. Identify, define, act and look. Identify the problem, define the main element of the problem, examine the possible solution, act on resolving the problem, and look for the lesson to learn. And if academics, I personally believe, if academics follow this, they can actually change the scenario of complete research and innovation within their campus. Coming back again to Chandigarh University's patent portfolio. With huge portfolio of 1200 patents, 1200 plus patents I should say, CU is actually filing in the sector of information technology, home automation, industry tools, diagnostic apparatus, 3D printing, machine learning, electrical vehicles and batteries, network architecture and many more. I don't think they have left any research area which is actually running in their campus. And not only Chandigarh University is in only patents, but they have also registered and filed n number of designs, and also Chandigarh University has trademarked their logo, their name. Now you must be wondering why I am telling you this all information apart from patents, about designs, about trademark. You know why? Because there are many few universities or academic who focuses on their complete IP portfolio, because IP is understood by those who knows the root of IP, who knows the root of research. And I think the top management of Chandigarh University understand very well the importance and global scenario of intellectual property rights and patents. So this was all about patent portfolio of Chandigarh University, and next I will be coming with another university portfolio. We'll be talking about another good universities where research and patents are given maximum number of importance, more number of importance I should say. So with this we come to the end of this video. I'm very thankful for all my viewers who have watched and motivated me a lot, but I request all my new viewers to subscribe our channel so that me and my team gets motivated to cover more of the video related to technology and IPR. And if you have any query, mention in the comment section. We will come with the answers for that. And with this, I say thank you so much for watching IPR.